So good morning, y'all. Just wanted to share with you this morning here. It's 5 in the morning and I want to get this off my chest because I want to help you. If you are struggling with chargebacks, if you're struggling about making money in the life insurance industry, if you're struggling to think, how can I do this? I'm struggling. What am I going to do? Can I please make more money? I was there and I want to share with you, if you are struggling to make money in the life insurance industry, you just need to learn this one thing. This one thing will change your bank account. This one thing will change the way that you view this industry. This one thing will change your perspective and allow you to think, damn, this industry is pretty amazing. Now, I want to jump into this real quick and to share with you a quick story. I'll give you some results here. In the last 3 days of Monday through Wednesday, it's currently Thursday, I've not picked up the phone. The last 3 days of work, I spent less than $350 in leads, and I turned that into $13,000 of advanced commissions over the next 12 months. But even better, I made $9,000 in advanced 30-day cash. In 30 days, out of all commissions, yeah, that's AP, that's real numbers. The next 30 days, I am going to be paid from this insurance company over $9,000 off a $350 lead spend. This video, I've documented it. I shared every sale that's coming, but I have to share with you this. If you can learn this one thing, your business will change. Because I think about the moment that I had my first 1 to 2, 3 months. I'm like, damn, this business sucks. I spoke with people who have made millions of dollars, who have led huge indices, and they've always told me that the life insurance industry there's no other industry like it. There was no way I thought like this until I learned this one thing. I was there in the trenches, figuring it out. I was like, I'm about to quit. I'm losing a lot of money. And I was there where you are. But if you can unlock this one thing, this industry can change your actual bank account, can change your actual life. And I know that you can learn the skills. And I just want to share it and summarize it in just one thing. One thing is learn to find the value in every part of the sale or every part of the product. The reason that I share this is people aren't buying from you because they don't understand the value in what you're selling. You are jumping into selling IULs. You have no idea what IULs are. You're trying to jump into selling term because you think, oh, I'm going to sell term because it's going to make me the most amount of money. But people can understand if you are an expert. These past 8, 9, 12 months, I've done 1,500, 2,000 presentations to get to this point. You're not an expert. There is this natural proclivity or natural learning curve that you have to go through as a life insurance agent. There's a point when you first get started where it's the absolute dirt. If you have no idea what life insurance is and you jump into this industry expecting to make a ton of money, and you can't go through that learning curve or that bell of actual hell of losing money, not understanding the products, you will just not even give yourself the opportunity. You will not allow yourself to become the expert, to explain the value, to make the money. And if I would have quit after month 2, month 3, I wouldn't have been able to build what I've built or been able to have the success. But so many people get in this industry, they see, oh, I can go ahead and make money. I'm going to leave my real estate job. I'm going to jump into this because I'm going to make money fast. Yet you have not learned the skills or not yet have the value, which means that your same character traits, the same value that you just were at, the same skills that you all have will now be transferred in this industry, and you are going to expect a different result. Who sounds crazy? Probably you. The moment that I learned that I needed to become an expert, that I needed to learn different skills, that I needed to put more work than everyone else, and that I needed to find my advantage or to find my value in this marketplace, to separate myself from all the thousands of agents who are calling my same clients, that I needed to separate myself from them, was the moment that I started making more money than everyone else that I've at least connected with just here locally in the life insurance industry. I am still figuring this out. I am still struggling. But what I want to share with you is that if you are going to do things like everyone else, if you are going to sound the same, use the same script, find the same leads, do the same thing, seem to sell the same products, where the heck is your value? So the value that I want to share with you that you can learn is the value that will change your life, the value that will allow you to actually stop struggling in this industry, that will stop being scared to look up your applications and you're seeing chargebacks, or you're scared to buy more leads, you're scared to do this. Because if you can turn on your skills, your computer every day. I have this insecurity. Today, I just sold 13,000 in the last 3 days. I am scared. Dude, am I going to be able to sell today? Was that a fluke? I've had this fluke feeling in my gut for the past 10 months because I am insecure. And that fluke feeling in my gut made me good. The moment that I had that insecurity, the moment that I never let off the pedal, the moment that I am more hungry right now to get on the phone than I was yesterday after crushing it, doing $6,000 in commissions yesterday, that insecurity that is in my heart, that is in my gut, that is in my mind, drives me to want to go ahead and propel forward. And I'm not here to motivate you, but so many people are soft. So many people don't want to wake up. So many people don't want to go out there and find ways to be better. So many people don't want to continue to build this industry. So many people will complain and complain and complain. They don't have the results. No, you don't have the results because you don't have the skill and you don't know how to find the value. And I want to share with you tactically how you can find value. Find value in the products that you sell. If you're selling a product that someone can replace you in a second because it's cheaper, or you can find value in a product where people can find you at a better rate, or put you in a better position, or it has more benefits, or it is a better product, or you get a product that fulfills better. If you are not the person who is gonna say, hey, I'm gonna call you tomorrow, Miss Betty, at 12 o'clock to make sure your policy starts, and you're not calling Miss Betty at 12 o'clock tomorrow, you're not as valuable. If you're not a person who is going to check up, who's going to convince the client that you're gonna be there for them, that you're gonna fulfill this product like no one else, that you're gonna put them in the best position, that you can put them in a non-2-year waiting period, that you can make sure their children are okay, that you can make sure that you are the best agent. When you can communicate this, guess who will always want to work with you? The person on the other line, because you are now separating yourself from everyone else. I am just tired of people seeing them not get the results, looking themselves in the mirror and blaming something else. I'm here to build this channel to share with you that I was a lost kid that spent multiple years trying to figure out what my path was, making decent money, trying to figure it out, and most importantly, wanted to quit the life insurance industry, truthfully. Until I built the systems, until I've connected and put myself in the arena to get lucky, to connect with my business partner by sharing free value, to go ahead and meet other people that can guide me in sales because I got lucky through the value that I built, that I went ahead and been able to connect on this YouTube channel because I've got lucky by bringing free value. The moment that you can bring value into any situation, the moment that people can feel that you're an expert, that you're a leader, that you're the guy, that they want to trust you, that you're their man or girl, is the moment that your business will change, is the moment that your life will change, and is the moment that you will say, oh, damn, I got lucky. Miss Sharon referred me to John. Why did John? Now I made an extra $1,200. She didn't just do that because she likes you, because she valued you. You were the expert. You were the best agent that she's picked up the phone, and these people are shoppers. You want to make sure when you are selling life insurance, there's no one like you in the industry. And if you're not that individual, look yourself in the mirror, change your habits, change your skill set, invest more time in yourself, and find a way, learn your different angles of value in every sales proposition and in your business, and your life will change. I genuinely love you guys. Keep an eye out here. Next 2-3 days, I'm going to share with you exactly what I mean. I've documented this on how I made over $13,000 in the last 3 days selling final expense life insurance in this industry. No BS. All sales calls are recorded. All cash is being calculated because I am trying to lead by example, to show you what is possible, to show you the way, to show you how to become a better individual, to show you how to become a man who can provide for your family, to show you how you can be the best individual, and to show you what is possible. I'm 24 years old. I'm not that damn smart. I'm just hungrier than you, and I want to win more than you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.